In this video, we will show the best freestanding garment hangers in India 2020. At number 1, Amazon Basics Double Hanging Rod. Features. Our review. At number 2, House of Quirk Single Rail Bamboo Garment Rack. Features. Our review. At number 3, LEOPAX Rolling Coat Rack, Bamboo Garment Rack. Features. Our review. At number 4, Styleys Wrought Iron Coat Rack. Features. Our review. At number 5, House of Quirk Coat Rack. Features. Our review. At number 6, House of Quirk Aluminium Coat Rack. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.